model, 62 Volkswagen Transporter T32 T52, 0180 Tdi short wheelbase, automatic DSG starts drives needs small turbo soon no VAT. Body, black, crew cab. Mileage, 168230. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 Tdi 180 PSD. Transmission, automatic DSG. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Actually drives really well, although when idling it is burning oil from a small turbo. Oil sales have worn very common simple repair jobs. Still starts and drives extremely well. Just burns oil on idle. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, parking sensors, cruise control, aircon, sat nav, electric windows. Euro